Yo guys, welcome in today's video. Let's try for a change to make this video a little bit shorter than the previous ones. Bitcoin went actually quite crazy. We had a massive pump and a massive dump. We came exactly to the middle of the channel right here, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin based on multiple charts, and I can tell you already right now it is very interesting. First of all, I want to start off with whaleportal. We are seeing the Bitcoin balance on exchanges increasing, which means that Bitcoins are being sent to exchanges, but the average funding fee is negative. That is a bullish sign, I have to say, that the average funding fee is negative. The other charts are not that clear on what the direction might be. We get a lot of signals yesterday over on WhaleAlerts, and I got a question from that. I want to clear that up. The premium index right here is flashing after we've reached a certain threshold, right? So that means that even though, for example, these candles, tack, 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 they all, not exactly these candles, but if we have something similar like this, a little bit bigger, they would go at the same time. So you would get multiple signals around a same time period. That is just something I want to tell you right here. What is important to do is that you take these signals kind of with a grain of salt, but that you're also going to look, okay, what is this? And then you go to the Bitcoin price. Did we touch support? What is the highest signal? So right here we got 0.17, 0.34. This is 0.57. So that is the highest. We're always looking for that peak in that premium index. So you can sometimes wait a couple of minutes to see what's going on. This was, for example, at 22.02. We got that highest reading of 0.573. And I can show you already, guys, what happened in the price. We have to go there for a, let's say, to the 1 minute time frame. If you go to 0.2, that is right here, exactly at the lows. Then you could already see, like, okay, we had a massive dump. We get that high reading on the premium index, most likely, when the funding rates were coming down, which was happening. Most likely, we will see a short-term reversal, at least a bounce. So if you are a scalper, for example, that is a really good strategy or a really good basically chart that you can use for trading, and actually nobody is using this chart. So this is basically quick explanation about that. If you get a high reading, it doesn't necessarily have to be a reversal, but if you get a extreme reading combined with these funding rates or combined with touching support in the chart, for example, like we are touching the middle of the channel, which we actually got supported from, like on the super precise, then you can be quite sure, like, okay, we come down, we touch the support, funding rates come down, and we have a crazy reading in the premium index. Like, that is 3 indicators combined. It is almost 100% accuracy that we are going to see quite a significant bounce. Bitcoin right now is at some resistance, and I want to go with this chart, and that is that we have this declining resistance, and we testing that resistance, and I think we can break that resistance soon. And once we break that, we will see a massive rally in the Bitcoin price. I'm being slightly careful right here. I'm waiting for too long Bitcoin, basically based on time, because we are getting closer to that cycle low at the beginning of May, and we also already surpassed the previous or the middle of the cycle that we are in right now. So the chances actually increase that we have seen a cycle top, something like we have seen right here. So I'm not going to risk to have a long-term long position. Of course, if you're scalping, it's different. But for me, I really want to wait, because like I said in yesterday's video, I think there is still a possibility for Bitcoin to do something like this, to come down, maybe even come down to these levels, 25,000 US dollars. That's actually quite a significant level if you have a look at these tops, for example, this top and this top, because it's also the neckline of that inverse head and shoulders pattern. So yeah, like I said, for my long-term plan, I'm going to be patient. That's also a important part of my trading strategy. I'm going to be patient and wait for the next 60-day cycle low. Whenever that's occurring, I'm going to look for a new position. Also, you can track these cycles right here on whaleportal.com/bitcoin-cycles. You can see exactly where in the 60-day cycle we are, where in the 4-year cycle we are, and where in the 16-year cycle you are. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. If you want to receive these alerts as well on your Telegram, this is only a small part of it because there are a lot of different alerts. These are just all fired in a small amount of time, but there are also alerts about funding rates, Bitcoin balance on exchanges, and altcoins that are shared over there, and other information too. If you are interested guys, you can join for free simply by signing up on Bybit with the affiliate link down below and meet the deposit requirements. If you already have a Bybit account, then I'm willing to make an exception, and you can create an account on any other exchange that is those exchanges that are available on whaleportal.com. Make sure that you sign up to these exchanges with the link from Whaleportal. So you click on that exchange and then you click on visit bitget, visit phemex. That is one way to do it, but make sure you use that affiliate link from Whaleportal, and once you submit your user ID in WhaleAlerts, then we will check whether you really signed up with our affiliate link, whether you meet the deposit requirements, and if these boxes tick yes, you will be invited into the Telegram channel. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. I wish you all a beautiful day today. Today's King's Day in the Netherlands, and the weather is just beautiful. So for everyone in the Netherlands, happy King's Day. And I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.